Hi, this is Lorena from Ink and Lace, and today I would like to show you a little bit of the creative journaling workshop that we are planning at Handsome Brisbane. I've been talking about this a while ago, but now I'm almost finished with creating examples for the creative workshops. So I would like to give you just a few sneak peeks. So you can buy like a normal notebook. This one is not with a grid, it's just simple, but I would like to show you what you can do just with a simple one. Let's start with January. Now all this is blank, it's not written on it because I would like to see people examples without personal notes. So for example, you start with a theme. For January it is the cactus. So you can create one page introducing the month. Then you can have a mood tracker. It could be anything different for you, something else, not great or good, or it could be bad or something else, whatever you like. After that, you can start with the first week. I extra didn't date it because I want it to be plain so people can actually update the way they like. So you can add stuff like notes, grateful, blog ideas, movies idea. Second week, similar theme, having the cactus, but updating it. Books of the week that I'm reading. What am I grateful about? What do I need to do? What are my bloggers ideas for that week? And of course, what are my notes? Now, the third week, like I said, it's the same thing, but has a different structure. That way, I think it's not boring. People like to stay interested. And the last one is a bit different as well. Now, what I like to use in terms of tools, I like to use the color wheels, which are really easy to use and easy to carry if I like to update month by month. I like to use also metallic pencil. This is a really good brand by creative people. You can purchase it at Aldi if you're in Australia, or you can use any type of pencils you like. I also like to use the simple black ink pen, the Uniball with fine tips. You can get these in any type of colors you like. Now let's move on to the next one. I'll just browse through. So you could have a floral theme for February, this time with circles, or you can have a different wildflower theme for the next month. April is unicorn, inspired by my little daughter. She's in love with unicorns and flowers. Like I said, you can do so much. You just need to put some notes together, what you like, what you don't like. May, bees, and collages. So you can add collage to it. If you don't draw, that's fine. Just stick whatever you like to it. Add drawings or skip them. June, just some colorful themes of pillows. Keep it floral if you like. You can keep it black and white. July is month for crystals for me, so I made a whole month of crystal creative journaling. So whatever you like, put it together and get going. August, pretty much a citrus month for me, so I like to add some splashings on the piece of paper. Don't be afraid to actually make mistakes. And I'm telling you, every single mistake would lead to something more beautiful and something more interesting. Unless the page is broken, then you can actually change it or add something else to it. October, you can stick to the topic of having leaves or something that is autumn, fall inspired. For this one, it's half colored, half not, because it's inspired also by doodles. So it has stickers with doodles on it. The next month is quite colorful. Flowers in an abstract mood. December could be like inspired with the strange looking cookies, a mood tracker, Christmas inspired, of course, but not fully, because like not everybody's into Christmas. So see how you can get creative and see what you like and get inspired. I would love to see your journals, and if you have any questions, don't forget to contact us, email us, and we'll talk soon. Thanks for watching. La Bye bye. Mwah.